I'm sorry, guys. I just have a really, really bad temporary cold. Oh, that's fitting, Neil. Oh. Shake that body. Watch yourself. Shake that body. Watch yourself.
It's my water bottle.
Watch yourself. I don't feel better. There. I'm sorry, Ezra. I'm so sorry. Didn't I tell you one more time?